Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again. How are you today, Emily?
I'm very good. Thank you, Alex, and you?
I'm great, thanks. Ready for a new lesson?
Wonderful. And to everyone listening, before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click like on this video and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Thank you. So, Alex, what is our topic today?
Today, we have a very useful topic. We are going to talk about daily life.
Daily life. You mean the things we do every day?
Yes, exactly. From the morning to the night. It's a great way to practice simple English.
That's a fantastic idea. So, where do we start? The morning.
The morning is the perfect place to start. So, Emily, tell me, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing, I wake up.
You wake up, good. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
7. Okay. And after you wake up, do you get up from bed?
Yes, I wake up and then I get up. Sometimes I stay in bed for 1 or 2 minutes, but then I get up.
Me too. It's nice and warm in the bed. So, you get up. What's next?
Next, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face.
You wash your face with water?
Yes, with cold water. It helps me wake up.
Oh, that's a good idea. I wash my face too. And then, a very important thing. What is it?
I brush my teeth.
Oh yes, very important. I brush my teeth every morning.
Good. So I wake up, get up, wash my face, and brush my teeth. What about clothes?
Yes. After I brush my teeth, I get dressed. I put on my clothes for the day.
What do you wear?
For work, I wear a nice shirt and pants, something comfortable.
Nice. I wear a t-shirt and jeans. Simple.
Simple is good. Okay, now I'm dressed. I'm ready for breakfast.
Breakfast, my favorite part of the morning.
Me too. I love breakfast. I'm always hungry in the morning.
What do you eat for breakfast, Alex?
I like to eat cereal with milk. It's easy and fast.
And do you drink anything?
Yes, I drink a cup of tea. I love tea.
Tea. Interesting. I am a coffee person. I drink coffee every morning.
Oh, many people love coffee. Do you drink it with milk?
Yes, with a little milk and 1 sugar.
And what do you eat with your coffee?
I usually eat toast with butter. Sometimes toast with jam.
Oh, toast with strawberry jam is delicious.
It is. So after breakfast, the day really starts.
It does. After breakfast, I go to work.
Me too. I go to my job. How do you go to work, Alex?
I go by car. I drive my car.
Is it far?
Not too far, about 20 minutes by car. And you?
I go by bus. The bus stop is near my house.
The bus is a good option. Do you listen to music on the bus?
Yes, I listen to music or a podcast, like this one.
A very good choice. So, you arrive at work. What do you do?
I work in a shop. I am a shop assistant. I help people.
That's nice. You talk to many people.
Yes, people buy clothes and I help them. I like my job.
That's great. I work in an office.
What do you do in the office?
I work with a computer. I write emails and talk on the phone.
So you sit at a desk.
Yes, it's quiet in the office. Very different from your job.
Yes, so we work and then it's time for lunch.
I get hungry around 1 o'clock.
Me too. What do you eat?
I usually bring a sandwich from home. Cheese and tomato.
Nice. I usually eat salad or soup at a cafe.
Salad is healthy. And I drink a big glass of water.
Water is so important. I drink water all day too.
After lunch, we go back to work. I work until 5 o'clock.
Me too. And when work is finished, I go home.
Do you take the bus home?
Yes.
What about you?
I drive my car home. Sometimes there's a lot of traffic.
Oh, I don't like traffic. On the bus, I can read.
That's nice. So you get home. What do you do first?
I change my clothes. I put on something comfortable.
Yes, best feeling.
Then I relax on the sofa.
I check my phone or just sit.
After I relax, I sometimes go for a walk in the park.
Wow, that's healthy.
It clears my head. Trees, flowers, very nice.
After your walk, what next?
Time to think about dinner.
Do you cook every day?
I try to. Simple things like pasta or chicken with rice.
Delicious. I cook too. Often soup or an omelet.
Omelette is a perfect quick dinner. Do you watch TV when you eat?
Sometimes I watch the news.
I listen to music during dinner.
After dinner, it's free time.
I read a book.
I watch a movie. I like comedies.
Laughing is good at night. I also listen to calm music.
Sometimes I call my family.
That's very nice.
Then it's 9 or 10, time to get ready for bed.
I take a warm shower. Very relaxing.
I take mine in the morning.
After shower, I brush my teeth and put on pajamas.
Me too.
I go to bed around 11.
I sleep at 10:30. Sleep is important.
Yes, and the next day starts again.
That was a whole day.
And we used simple English.
Everyone listening can practice.
Tell us in the comments, what do you eat for breakfast?
We want to know.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in the next episode.